Okay, today we are starting with our good morning students. Today we are starting with our chapter 10. Training in sports. What is training in sports? Last also we have done simple preparing ourselves to do a task. Preparing ourselves to do a task that is needed training. Regarding sports, in this chapter we will be doing the different physical fitness components and related fitness components. What are the components? Strength, then comes endurance, speed, flexibility, and coordinative abilities. Coordinative abilities. One more topic is there, that is one circuit training. These are all the topics you have heard about. But have you heard about what is circuit training? When we do the different types of exercises in a circuit, for example, where all the physical fitness components will be used. Like if we are saying in a basketball, this is a basketball. Just for a name sake, we are making a circuit. First exercise, second exercise, third exercise, fourth, fifth, sixth. So different type, like here we are starting with the general warming up. So arm rotation, neck rotation, arm rotation. Here comes, you can say, okay, for the lower extremities, if you want to go, upper extremities, push-ups. Here you are doing push-ups. Here you are doing, okay, sit-ups. Here you are doing jumping, what to say, skipping. Here you are doing, okay, the medicine ball and all that. When you are doing different types of exercises in the circuit, when you are doing different types of exercises in the circuit, that is known as circuit training. Like if you have gone to the gym and already you are seeing people generally, number students is not available, but outside also. There are circuit of different types of machines. It is a circuit only where you are using the shoulder, where you are doing exercise shoulder also, for leg also, for abdominal also. In a circuit, when we have different types of exercise, that is known as circuit training. So in this chapter, we will be dealing strength, types of strength, and methods how to develop strength. What is endurance? What is speed? Different types of speed, different types of endurance, and how to improve our strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, and all that. So, what is strength? Takat. Ability of the body or a muscle to overcome the resistance. That is known as strength. Ability of a muscle or group of muscles to overcome the resistance, that is known as strength. Generally, there are two types of strength. Dynamic and static. Dynamic and static. Dynamic strength is also known as isotonic, and static is known as isometric. Isotonic, isometric. Under the dynamic, there are three types of, under the dynamic or isotonic, there are three types of strength. One is strength endurance. After that comes, what to say? After that is strength endurance, maximum strength, and explosive strength. Under this dynamic is of three: strength endurance, explosive, and maximum strength. Now, different types of strength is used in different types of game. Like for weightlifting, we are using when for just for a fraction of a second, when every body part and whole muscles are being used to overcome the resistance, that is known as maximum strength. So your strength will depend on different physiological factors, like how many tooth fibers, how much their muscle length, all these are the different types of factors on which your strength will depend. There are, for example, it comes the volume of phosphagen storage, limb length, uh, limb length, muscle length, and body weight. For example, Piyush Paliwal, XYZ, not Piyush Paliwal, XYZ. One is having a weight of 40 kg, one is having a weight of 70 kg. 40 kg person will not be able to lift the weight. 40 kg person will not be able to lift the weight of 60 to 70 kg. 60 to 70 kg per individual will be able to lift the same amount of body weight. So it depends on the body weight also. It depends on the limb length also. Okay. Long limbs and all, it depends on particular size also and muscle size. Now, definitions regarding what are the types of strength. I have told you strength, endurance, exclusive, maximum. That I will tell you tomorrow. Now next class. What are the methods to increase how to improve your strength? Generally, this question comes. Whether it is endurance, whether it is strength, whether it is speed. But what thing I have seen not in our student, but journal. Okay, go to gym, eat green leafy vegetables, eat lot of fruits, eat lot of vegetables, do exercise. Yeah, journal, that is general point of view. That is general point of view. Okay, अनार खाओ, सेब खाओ, ताकत आ जाएगी. Do you think it will come? There are different methods. There are three methods how you can do isometric, isotonic, and isokinetic. If it the example, there are three methods how you can improve the strength. Again, same isometric, isotonic, and isokinetic. At any cost, don't try the silly answer. Don't try the silly answers. What are different methods that I will tell you? But don't try, okay, eat spinach, eat green leafy vegetables, you will get a lot of strength. अगर ऐसे ताकत आती, so I think everyone will be having maximum strength in themselves. Nobody will go to gym and all that. Why you are going to gym? Why lifting the weights? To gain the strength inside you. Now isometric, okay, what is the example of isometric strength? If you are seeing pushing a wall. Here you are doing the work, but the work is not seen. Pushing the wall, okay. Suppose this is a ball, I am pushing the wall, but the work done is not seen. That is isometric. Lifting a weight or a dumbbell, you can see, okay, automatically your bicep comes in different shape. The work done is seen. That is known as isotonic. What is isokinetic? I think all of you might be going to the gym nowadays. There are different types of machine. That get adjusted according to you only. Like if you are running on treadmill, it will see, okay, what is your weight according to the heartbeat. It will go according to the heartbeat and according to the capacity. It is known as isokinetic. So isometric, isokinetic, and isotonic. These are the three methods. By which you can improve your strength. Similarly, endurance. What is endurance? This I have told you earlier also. Stamina. What other word of stamina is known as endurance. Latest what has come is endurance. Ability of the body to do the work under the condition of fatigue or under the condition of tiredness. It is known as endurance. Now, methods to develop endurance. Okay, you will say, okay, endurance. Keep on running, but how much running? From morning 6 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock. Now, there comes three methods. Continuous, interval, and partial. Continuous, interval, partial. Just for an example, I will continuous means okay. Running for 30 minutes, you are improving your endurance. Now, in the interval method, what is the difference? You are running the sprint 400 meters 400 meters, then you are taking rest for 1 minute. After that, you are running again the sprint, but you are decreasing the time of rest. That is known as interval. Running the sprint with maximum speed, running the sprint with maximum speed 400 meter, 800 meter, but reducing the time of rest. Then also you are increasing your endurance. Now fartlek method. This method is that okay, you have to run according to your pace, but the way of but the way in which you will be running, that is not decided. For example, if you are saying, I will tell you, okay, go and run. From school you start running, okay, no problem. But when I will tell you, okay, climb the flyover, that is near to our school, I will flyover. While climbing, your speed will be slow. While going down, your speed will be less. Okay, your speed will be more. While climbing up, it will be more. It will be less. While coming down, it will be less. Similarly, when I will tell you to run mud near to the seashore beach, the speed will be different. So the pace is not decided, and the method, the way is not decided where you will be running. Whether you are just running in the paddy field and all that, it depends on the track. On the track, you will be changing your speed. Flat road, the speed will be different. When you are climbing up, when you are doing hill running, the speed will be different. When you are coming down, the speed will be different. So it depends. Now flexibility. What is flexibility? Lachilapun. Ability of the joint. Ability of the joint to move around a particular free space, that is called flexibility. Okay. And there are some elastic method, static method, and all that, dynamic method. Then comes PNF stretching. What is PNF stretching? And I have told you earlier also, suppose you are doing at a particular level, when you will reach, you will try to hold that body part at particular level. That's for 8 seconds. Again, you will try to move beyond that. Little slowly you are increasing even better. Coordinative abilities, they are different types of coordinative. I have told you. Now in our next class, we will be starting with the strength. Different types of strength, that is strength, endurance, explosive strength, and maximum strength. Definition of these three strengths and the methods. Generally, there are only two types of strength, dynamic and static. But under dynamic, there are three types of strength, endurance, explosive, and maximum. So definition of isotonic, isometric, and the definition of these three, that we will be doing in our next class. And the methods, how to improve your strength, that is isokinetic, isometric, and isotonic. So we will be starting in detail this chapter in our next class onwards. Okay, dear students.